Okay, so good day everybody. Your quote-unquote favorite DDS lawyer is back for another video, okay? So ngayon po papag-usapan natin yung Office of the Solicitor General, di ba? Kasi nabalitaan niyo naman po siguro na sumulat sila and they ask to recuse themselves po from dun sa petition for Habeas Corpus na final po ng mga anak ni FPRRD. So for today po, papag-usapan natin kung ano ba talaga yung OSG, ano ba yung trabaho ng OSG, at kung ano yung mga possible consequences po, may it be legal or extra legal dun sa pag-recuse po ng OSG. And gusto ko rin po pala to take this time po to thank everyone who has commented so far. Unfortunately po, hindi na ako naka-reply talaga isa-isa or naka-heart ko man lang yung napapasalamatan. So I would just like to take this time para pasalamatan po yung lahat din ng nagpasalamat dun sa video ko kasi hindi ko na po na isa-isang ma-heart eh. And one more thing po na gusto ko lang din i-emphasize is yung sa Facebook po pala medyo nahihirapan talaga ako mag-comment dun or mag-reply sa inyo. Kasi yung unfortunately po kasi yung interface ng Facebook medyo hindi po siya optimized katulad ng sa TikTok and or sa YouTube. Sa TikTok or YouTube po mas madaling mag-reply. Sa Facebook medyo magulo. Kaya pasensya nyo na po kung hindi talaga ako masyado naka-reply sa Facebook. Kaya ito na lang po yung sa video kong to is pinapasalamatan ko po talaga lahat kayong nagko-comment at na-appreciate yung videos ko. Okay? So ngayon tuloy na po tayo sa discussions natin. So unang question po talaga natin dyan is kung ano nga ba talaga yung OSG or yung Office of the Solicitor General, okay? So unang-una po dyan, ang OSG po, hindi po yan siya constitutionally created body. Ordinary law or regular law lang po yung gumagawa niyan. Specifically po yung Administrative Act natin of 1987, okay? So makita nyo po dyan, yung OSG po is an independent body that is attached to the Department of Justice. So take note po dun sa portion na independent kasi ang ibig sabihin po niyan kahit naka-attach po yung OSG sa DOJ is independent po siya, meaning meron din po siyang sariling discretion niya regarding mga bagay-bagay na related po dun sa functions niya, okay? So pangalawa dyan na question is paano ba nabubuo yung OSG? So yung OSG po, the Solicitor General is an appointee po yan siya ng President, okay? So yan po yan, hindi po yan siya elected, rather he is appointed po by the President, by the Office of the President, okay? Tapos yung next question naman po natin is kung ano ba talaga yung functions ng OSG. So yung functions po ng OSG, in the simplest terms I can explain it po, sila po yung litigation lawyer and or trial lawyer po ng government. So ang best example po niyan is ako po, di ba, I am a private practicing lawyer. Yung trabaho ko po as a lawyer sa private practice ko is I am a litigation and or a trial lawyer, okay? So yung mga litigation and or trial lawyers po, kami yung pumupunta sa court. Kami po yung parang nakikita nyo sa suits or yung mga commonly na pinapakita po sa movies kung saan nag-aano kami, yung mga your honor, yung mga ganyan. Tapos your honor, objection, yan, ganyan. Yan po yung trial and or litigation lawyer. Tapos kami rin po yung mga nagko-conduct ng examination sa mga parties, sa witnesses. So yung mga nakikita po natin, di ba, yung nagtatanong yung lawyer na, do you remember being present in ganyan. Do you remember seeing ganyan. So yan po yung ibig sabihin ng trial and or litigation lawyer, okay? So again, ulitin ko po, ang OSG po ang equivalent ng government in relation po sa amin sa private side naman dun sa trial or litigation practice. And another comparison pa po sa OSG, yung OSG po is the equivalent naman sa Amerika nung tinatawag na Attorney General, di ba? I'm sure kung nanonood po kayo ng mga series or nanonood kayo ng mga US movies, foreign movies, naririnig or mas familiar po kayo sa term na Attorney General, okay? So yung sa Philippines po, ang equivalent po ng Attorney General is the Solicitor General, okay? The only difference po is sa states po kasi yung Attorney General, they are elected into office. Dito sa atin yung OSG, like what I've already discussed, is they are appointed po yan. Yan po yung difference pero they are similar po, okay? Ngayon yung next question naman natin is bakit ba na-involve yung OSG dun sa petition for Habeas Corpus na final po ng mga anak ni FPRRD para i-produce yung body ni FPRRD sa court? And the reason being po is yun nga, di ba? The OSG is the litigation and or trial lawyer for the state. Therefore, since yung respondents po dun sa petition for Habeas Corpus is yung government, so yung OSG po yung may obligation yan to represent the state, okay? Pero ang naging problema po kasi, di ba, makita natin, ang sinabi po ng OSG is that they ask to recuse or to recuse themselves or to be recused from participating in the proceedings. Tapos yung rason po na binigay ng OSG is sila daw kasi yung nag-represent sa state in relation dun sa jurisdictional issues po sa ICC. And in-emphasize din talaga nila na yung position, yung legal position po ng OSG is walang jurisdiction yung ICC, and since yun nga po, since sila yung nag-handle nun sa ICC case na yon, is ayaw nila makialam or they recuse themselves para po to avoid a conflict of interest. Okay? So, i-emphasize ko lang po, the main reason po ng OSG talaga dyan is gusto talaga nila iwasan yung conflict of interest. Kasi yun nga, the legal position of OSG is that walang jurisdiction yung ICC dito sa atin. Tapos lalo na po na yung OSG mismo yung nag-defend, nakipag-argue regarding that issue dun sa ICC mismo. Therefore, ngayon, kung titingnan po ninyo, kung magiging involved sila dun sa petition for habeas corpus, is possibly po talagang magkaroon ng conflict of interest yung OSG in relation to that issue. Okay? So ngayon, ang next question naman po natin, ano naman kung may conflict of interest? Diba? Government pa rin naman yung nire-represent ng OSG dun sa petition for habeas corpus. We have to remember po kasi yung OSG, they are all composed of lawyers po. Abogado po yan sila lahat. Therefore, if you are a lawyer, you must still follow and you must abide po yung oath of office mo as a lawyer and the code of professional responsibility po naming mga abogado. Okay? Isa po sa foundation or sa basic principles po sa oath namin and or sa code of professional responsibility namin is to avoid representing conflicts of interest. Okay? So kahit na po Solicitor General yan siya, kung meron siyang conflict of interest, therefore kailangan pa rin niya sundin yung oath talaga niya, which is nga yun, iwasan mag-represent ng conflict of interest. And dito po sa side ng OSG, there is clearly a conflict of interest considering yun nga po, diba, sila yung nag-prosecute mismo when the government and or the state questioned yung lack of jurisdiction ng ICC. So ngayon, kung magi-involve po sila dun sa petition for habeas corpus, parang pangit naman talaga tingnan or klarong may conflict kung biglang ngayon aaminin nila na may jurisdiction pala yung ICC. So yan po yun. Again, ulitin ko lang po, the reason kung bakit hindi nag-involve yung OSG is because of a conflict of interest considering the legal position of the OSG is yun nga, walang jurisdiction ang ICC dito sa atin sa Pilipinas. Ang next question naman po natin, paano naman considering, di ba, yung ngayon yung sumagot in behalf of the state is yung DOJ. Di ba, like what I've mentioned, DOJ, OSG pala is under the DOJ. It is attached to the DOJ. However po, we have to remember, under the same law, nakalagay naman po doon that the OSG is independent. Meaning, meron po silang sariling discretion sa functions nila. It just so happens that they are attached to the Office of the Department of Justice. Okay? Pero since there is a provision that they are independent, therefore, meron silang sariling discretion regarding to mga legal matters po na mga hinahawakan nila. Okay? And again, ulitin ko lang po, since it is clear that there is a conflict of interest on the part of the OSG, pwede naman po nila talaga gamitin yon as a valid excuse considering they are all lawyers. Consequently, they must still follow their lawyer's oath and the code of professional responsibility naming mga abogado kahit na po under sila ng isang government office. Tapos ngayon, punta naman po tayo sa medyo maritesan portion, di ba? So, ang next question natin dyan is ano ang mangyayari ngayon sa OSG, okay? So, unang-una, personally, hindi ko po alam kung ano mangyayari sa OSG. Pero ang kailangan lang po natin tandaan dyan, the OSG as provided by our law po that created the OSG is that the OSG is appointed by the President. Therefore, if the President has the power to appoint, it also carries the power to remove appointees kasi discretionary function po yan ng President. Therefore, kung nagkaroon na ng tinatawag na loss of trust and or confidence on the part of the President in relation to his appointees, is pwede po yan siya palitan ng President. Okay? However, tandaan po natin and I would like to emphasize, hindi ko po sinasabing papalitan yung OSG. I am just explaining to you po the procedure kung paano nga ba ma-appoint ang isang OSG at kung paano rin siya posibleng matanggal from office niya. Another interesting issue naman po regarding this is kung paano naman yun considering yung OSG has a different position from all the other government offices involved in this case, diba? Kasi like yung DOJ, sabi nila may jurisdiction daw yung ICC. Pwede ba yung ganun na iba yung opinion ng OSG ng isang government office dun sa ibang mga offices? So pag ganyan po, pwede naman po kasi yun nga, the OSG is independent naman as provided by the law that created it. Okay? So ang next question natin, paano yun marireconcile among the different government offices natin, yung ganong issue na magkakaiba silang legal position? Pag ganyan po, bahala na po yung government dyan because that is what we call a political question, di ba? At pag political question na po yung pinapag-usapan, hindi na po yan trabaho naming mga abogado or those who are involved in the judiciary. Rather, that is now the function and or trabaho ng mga politiko sa atin. So bahala na po dyan yung Office of the President, yung DOJ at yung OSG kung paano nila ma-reconcile yung differences nila regarding certain legal matters that already touches on or medyo nai-involve na rin yung mga political issues dito sa atin sa bansa. Okay? So hopefully klaro yun guys. If you like legal educational videos to current events, follow lang po kayo sa akin sa social media. Until next time, see you all po. Bye-bye!